The cauldron core of black holes. Contrary to textbooks, the center of a black hole is not a point. It's a boiling energy filament soup that never cools down. In energy filament theory, the cauldron core is located at the deepest part of the black hole, at the heart of its four-layer structure. Here, there are no particles, no fixed shapes, only countless energy filaments that are compressed to their limits, constantly rolling, cutting, entangling, breaking, and reconnecting. It's more like a pot of soup that's simultaneously cooking noodles, stirring lava, and twisting into whirlpools, never settling down. You can imagine the cauldron core as the eye of a superfluid hurricane in the universe. The filaments tug at each other, not together, then get torn apart. The entire process resembles a high-speed, slow-motion filament dance turbulence. Every time it rolls, it sends out a wave of tension, which travels through the piston layer, pushing towards the outer event horizon. This is why the black hole's surface features its pores, rings, and bright flashes are all related to the mood of this boiling cauldron. Here's another way to picture it. Imagine watching a pot of thick soup boil. The bottom rises, then sinks again, bubbling up with bursts of foam. A black hole follows this rhythm too, but instead of bubbles, it sends out streams of energy filaments. The boiling sound is the disturbance of light and tension, and the pot lid blowing off is the first driving force of its jets. The deeper, denser, and more stable the cauldron core, the quieter and more solemn the black hole appears. The more urgent, chaotic, and turbulent the cauldron, the more the black hole becomes like a roaring beast ready to burst. Small black holes have cauldron cores like quick boiling pots, where every roll causes noticeable changes in the outer layers. Larger black holes, however, have massive slow cooking pots, where it takes much longer for each roll, but the power is immense and the effects more widespread. Therefore, the black hole's personality, rhythm, jets, and flares are essentially the result of the cauldron core throwing a tantrum or turning over. It is the true engine of the black hole, the root of all its phenomena. Next we'll explore, is the event horizon of a black hole an illusion? Why the black ring we see is merely an outer boundary formed by light being forced out. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.